Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to take this red color of crepe paper. You can take whatever color you like. Now we are going to fold it from its one corner and start twisting it using your thumb like we are doing here. You have to repeat the same process over and over again. Hold it from its one corner and twist it like this. You will get this beautiful pattern. At the end we will make the rose flower petals by this. Finally we're going to twist it at the end like this. Now hold it and start rolling it like this. Don't hold it tightly. You have to keep the ends loose like this and roll the flower like we're doing here. And look, your rose flower is ready. After this we're going to pull the petals and give it shape like this and tie it using a rubber band or a thread and cut the extra part of the crepe paper using a scissor, and look, it's done. We're going to take two different color of strip. We are taking blue shades here. So hold the strip from one hand and fold it like this. We're going to twist it and start rolling it like this. So repeat the same process over and over again. You have to twist it from one hand and start folding it using your other hand, and you will get this beautiful mini rose flower. Finally, at the end we are going to paste it using a glue, or you can also use a hot glue gun. And look, make more such rose flowers and tie it using this mask thread. You can also use a normal thread in place of this. Now we are going to make the cover of the bouquet using this mask. So remove it and start covering the bouquet one after another. First cover it using the white, then using this blue we are going to cover it, and look, your beautiful bouquet is ready. Finally tie a knot and it's done. We're going to fold this red craft paper, fold it and make a square shape. Now gently press it and make this triangular shape. Now start folding it from its corners and pull the paper downwards and make two mini squares like this. Similar way we're going to fold it again and flip it and do the same from this side as well. Now we are going to flip the paper and start folding it like this. Again flip it and do the same from this side as well. Fold it and gently open the paper like this. So we'll get this space at the center. Now press it like we're doing here. Again we are going to hold the paper from one side like this, and you have to twist it like this. So hold it from its center and start twisting it. Now we are going to roll the petals, curve it using a pen, and look, your flower is ready. Need two green and one purple paper, so we are going to fold it in a square, then again press it and make this triangular shape. Fold it like we are doing here, flip it and again do the same from this side. Now we are going to press it again. After this we are going to fold it like this, and look, you have to tuck the corner inside it like this. Now flip it and do the same from this portion as well. After this you have to blow it from the hole at the bottom, and look, it's done. Now pull down the petals and curve them using a pen or a pencil. Now take this green craft paper. We are going to make the leaves here. Fold it from its side and we are going to fold it into half, and look, it's done. We are going to make two such leaves and tuck both of them like this. Put it at the center of the hole and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please